If you remember a few episodes back, we found a Ferrari 250 Ellena that had not been washed since 1970, sitting in a garage, nice patina on it. It was in really good condition, except it had a broken fog light because the owner, when he was a kid, mistakenly drove his truck into the fog light and broke it. Well, what comes in the mail to me recently from France is a fog light for that Ferrari. The same thing, it's a Marchal. This was sent from France by Etienne Musslin, who lives outside of Paris, who is a car collector, a car enthusiast. And he said, I want your friend to have a light, didn't charge for the light, didn't charge for shipping from Europe. And so I just want to say thank you so much for watching this program and sending the gentleman who owns a Ferrari this light, because I'm going to send it to him now, and I'm sure he's going to bolt it on instantly, and this will be on the road soon because he promises to get that Ferrari back on the road. So Etienne, thank you so much.